strike.
Beautiful. Can I touch? Wow.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
I really like here lifestyle. Everything is very, very interesting to me. Don't forget everybody, subscribe and good alarm meant. Okay.
So ayan, kumusta mga buddy? So tagal-tagal din bago tayo uli nakapag-fishing. So ngayong araw mga buddy, meron tayong kasamang kaibigan. So Mr. Peter Song from South Korea. Yeah.
Hi everybody.
Yeah.
I am Peter from South Korea. I'm very happy to hear and meet my hero, Mr. JB.
Yes. So,
I'm very happy.
So ayan, kasama natin siyang mag-fishing ngayon mga buddy. So try natin siyang isama dun sa huntingan ng tulingan. Update ko na lang kayo mga buddy pagdating natin dun sa batuhan. So so ayan, proud tayo mga buddy dahil kahit paano dinadayo tayo ng mga banyaga sa spot natin. So ayan, willing naman tayong i-tour sila sa mga pinag-fishingan talaga natin dito.
Can I ask about
Yeah.
motor? Okay.
Give me that.
Okay, I can do it.
Ayan yung gagamitin nating Mino dito mga buddy. Yan JB Mino version 1 na blue silver pin. Yun din yung kay Mr. Song na gamit. Yan. Ayan, pinahiram natin siya ng Mino mga buddy. So gagamitin niya yung Mino natin. So let's try that here. So ayan mga buddy, nandito na kami sa spot. Yeah. You see?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay. Ayan mga buddy, nakaisa agad tayo. Isang black spot snapper mga buddy, good size. Lagay lang natin dito sa magic butas na pinaglalagyan natin.
I want to watch you.
Do you fix that? You can fix that?
I can do by myself.
Okay. Ano ba? Na ano yung ano niya sa wind nut siguro? Nagkaroon siya ng wind nut. So ayan, nakapangalawang isda na tayo. Hindi rin talaga natin minsan maano meron na mga buddy, pangalawang kuha natin. Hey, I got one. It's a big one. Fish yun mga buddy. Yeah. Ayan mga buddy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's my first seeing this fish.
Yeah, it's tuna.
Tuna, yeah. Wow. Nice fish.
Can I borrow the pliers?
Okay. Ah, beautiful. Really beautiful.
We land the fish.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Can I touch? Wow. This is my first touching the tuna.
Ayan mga buddy, laki nito. Subukan natin dun sa unahan mga buddy.
Hey, careful going there. Okay?
But you need to jump here.
Don't worry about me. Careful.
Strike mga buddy. Balo pala. Strike. Strike. Balo. Yeah. Sinalo. Bong niya. Oops. Maabot na yung light. Yeah. Sinalubong niya. Mr. Song! Hala. Ha? Ah. Oh. Mga buddy, nakayari na si Mr. Song ng grouper. Trout grouper. Oh yeah, you can release it. Ayan mga buddy, kayari siya ng trout grouper. Yes, a coral trout grouper yan. Ay, so gamag
These are really baby. Very sad.
Yeah. Nice, you have a first fish.
Yeah.
You have your first fish.
No, that's not my first.
Here.
Not yet.
Ah,
Not
yeah.
yet. Maybe I will catch my first fish. Wait. It looks a little deep.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
they follow the beats. There have a lot of little bits, little fish here. Beat fish.
big fish maybe tuna is maybe playing only here.
Yeah.
Why? Not there.
Sometimes from there, they come here.
But I think the main point is here.
Yes, this one. Maybe you're hungry. You want to eat?
You hungry?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
How about we go and eat some food?
You want to go there and eat some food? Then we go back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You go with me?
Yeah,
Are you sitting here?
I will go with you.
Okay. And we have a little time in there, and we come back.
Yeah.
The time, I guess, little better in here. Okay.
So let's go.
Okay.
So ayan mga buddy, punta muna kami dun sa rest house at kakain lang muna kami. So balik lang din tayo mamaya dito pagkatapos natin kumain. So ayan, update ko lang kayo mga buddy pag nandun na tayo. Phew. So ayan mga buddy, pabalik na kami dun, tapos na namin kumain. So alas 4 na rin to ng hapon. So try pa namin mag-casting ng at least kahit isang oras. So pagkatapos ay uwi na rin siguro kami. So ayan, kita-kits na lang ulit tayo dun sa spot mga buddy. So ayan mga buddy, nandito na tayo ulit. Ayan, wala nang ganong agos, humina na. Tingnan lang natin kung meron pang mga kumakawan naniniba dito. Strike. You see that fish? You didn't see the fish here?
I didn't see it.
What? It's
Tuna?
yeah.
Oh, what can you see?
Ayan mga buddy. Hindi na ako nakapagsalita. Sayang, akala ko kasi ano, nakita ni Mr. Song yung kawan dyan lang sa harap namin. Lumabas. Ayan, nakadagdag tayo ng isang tulingan. Grabe. Sa harap lang natin dumaan. Sayang, hindi nakita ni Mr. Song. Bali mamaya, sana bumalik pa. Okay. Yeah. Yes. There you go. There you go. There you go. You saw that?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Oh my god, I'm great.
Yeah. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Uh-oh.
Find it.
Ooh. Yeah, it's strike, they strike.
Many fishes in your video.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So, ayan.
Still there. Oh my god.
Uy,
You can.
they bite it. But I didn't hook it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Let's go. So ayan mga buddy, tapos na kami mag-fishing ni Mr. Song. So update ko na lang kayo pag nandun na kami sa ano, kasi yung unang mga isdang nakuha natin ay inilagay natin sa box. So update ko na lang kayo pagdating doon. So ayan mga buddy, nandito na kami ni Mr. Song sa rest house. So ayan.
Hi. Today even I failed to catch some fishes. I have very interesting experience in here. I really like here lifestyle. Everything is very, very interesting to me. Don't forget everybody, subscribe and good alarm, meant. Okay.
So yan, thank you Mr. Song. So ito yung mga nakuha natin. Yan, nakayari tayo ng dalawang black spot snapper to. Mga buddy, yung isa kinain ng aso. Tapos isang balo, dalawang tulingan. Good size tong isang tulingan na to mga buddy oh. Siguro mga 3 kilo mahigit. So ayan, prepare na lang din kami, pack up na lang kami ng mga gamit namin at pauwi na rin kami sa bayan dahil pahapon na rin. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang at maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel natin. At maraming salamat din kay Mr. Song sa pagbisita niya sa atin dito sa lugar natin. So ayan, thank you very much Sir Song to come here in my place.
Okay, thank you everybody.
Ayan, thank you. So
Okay,
fish on mga buddy. You.
bye bye.